I'm the 5-Minute Professor, and this week's Financial Friday lesson is not, like last Friday, about fundamental analysis, the numbers which make a company move. It is about what actually makes stocks move, and that is technical analysis. You see, there are only two reasons that people buy stock. They buy stock because they think it's going to go higher. Well, really, there's only one reason why people buy stock. They think it's going to go higher. That's why you buy stock. You buy stock because you think it's going to go higher. Sometimes you buy stock because you like the company and you think it'd be cool to own a share of stock. But in general, people that buy stock as an investment buy stock because they think it's going to go higher. But that doesn't mean it's going to. Technical analysis is not the study of the company. It's the study of how the stock performs, because time over time, it's been proven that the groupthink that goes into stock market trading has some rules that allow you to take a look at how the stock is performing over time, and there are enough people looking for these same specific triggers that it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. A perfect example is the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is a simple number. It is the last 50 days, the average price of the stock. It trails the stock. It's on purpose a trailing indicator. It's the average of the last 50 days. Take the last 50 days, you add them together, you divide by 50, that's your average price. Then another day goes by, you drop off the first day, you add today, and when stocks are performing well, that 50-day moving average is moving up. When stocks are performing badly, they are moving down. And it is a significant indicator to people that buy stocks and sell stocks whether or not the stock price crosses that average. Now, mathematically, realistically, there is nothing significant about a stock that for the past 50 days has traded at $25. Today, the stock trades at $25, on average, $25. And today, the stock goes from $25.05 down to $28 to $24.85. There's nothing significant about that. There's nothing real about that. But because people are looking at that average number, now it matters. Another one of these things is support. Support and resistance. And we'll talk about these two parts of fundamental analysis, and that'll be it for today because, trust me, it's enough. So in stock buying, there is a tendency for stocks to come down to a certain price. They come down to the price, and then they go higher. So every time the stock comes down to $25, there's enough people that think $25 is a good price for that, I'm going to buy it, that the stock doesn't go below that. And there are enough people looking at it the first time it happens that it doesn't matter, because one time is nothing. But it happens once, and it happens twice, and it happens a third time. Now it's significant. Now it is a trend. Now the problem with technical analysis is that you can draw these lines on any number. You can make them horizontal. You can make them at an angle. You can say it's a trend that's changed. It is a moving average cross. You can say last time it came down to 25, and then it went up, and then it came back down to 25.50, and then it went up, and then it came down to 25, down to 26, then it went up, and then it came down to 26.50. This time it goes up, and then it comes down to 26.25, and there are people that are looking at that average of where it came down, look at that increase, and saying, well, now it's going to go down. Looking at the price of the stock to see whether or not the stock is going to go higher or lower. The same thing works with resistance, with stock prices bouncing against higher prices and finding resistance. People reluctant to pay a higher price. That is technical analysis. That is why I hate the stock market. Logic and reason be damned. Trailing 50-day moving average be praised. Perceptum, quispium, damnatium. Learn something, damn it. I'm the 5-Minute Professor, and thank you very much for listening to today's lesson. If you have any comments at all, please put them in the comments section down below. And of course, like it and subscribe to the channel. But most important, if you liked it, if you commented, and if you subscribed, tell your friends. Perceptum, quispium, damnatium. Learn something, damn it.